What's the meaning of bordello? Bordello. Bordello.
Bordello. Bordello. A bordello is a place where individuals engage in prostitution activities, typically involving multiple sex workers. It is often referred to as a brothel or whorehouse and is considered to be a form of commercial sex work. Operating a bordello is illegal in many countries around the world, but there are still places where it is tolerated or even legal. These establishments have a long history and can be found in many cultures throughout the world. However, they are often associated with exploitation, human trafficking, and the spread of sexually transmitted infections.